Hi everyone. The R1T is part of the new Rivian brand's aim to provide adventure-oriented utility vehicles with potent electric powertrains and generous range on a single charge. Like many electric vehicles, the 2022 Rivian R1T is underpinned by a skateboard platform, which places the battery under the passenger compartment to keep the center of gravity down. Ground clearance is generous at 14.5 inches. Rivian R1T pricing will start around $70,000 before incentives. Launch edition trucks are expected to arrive in September 2021, while other variants are slated for January 2022. The R1T will be produced at Rivian's manufacturing plant in Normal, Illinois. We're launching Rivian with two vehicles that reimagine the pickup and SUV segments, said Rivian founder and CEO RJ Scaring. Skateboard platform. The foundation of the R1T is Rivian's skateboard platform, which efficiently packages the battery pack, drive units, suspension, braking and thermal system all below the height of the wheel, leaving the space above for occupants and their gear. Beyond the packaging benefits, this architecture delivers a low center of gravity that supports the vehicle's agility and stability. The exterior design. Rivian's vehicles have been designed to communicate strength and refinement while still inviting customers to get them dirty. Strong proportions and clean, continuous body lines help the vehicles achieve a modern, inviting stance while acknowledging the performance and level of technology integrated into the vehicle. The main body line of the R1T wraps up and around the cab and gives the vehicle a distinctive silhouette, while highlighting the gear tunnel cut line and accentuating the rear fender flares. The R1T features short overhangs, high ground clearance and aggressive approach and departure angles for a confident and rugged stance, all enabled by Rivian's unique skateboard platform. A Rivian will be quickly recognized, with its iconic, signature stadium headlights and a daytime running light that extends the entire width of the vehicle. The interior design. In harmony with the exterior, the interior of Rivian's vehicles welcomes occupants into a premium environment that conveys craftsmanship yet invites rugged, daily use. Color and materials play an important role in differentiating Rivian vehicles. Sustainably sourced wood is used throughout the interior and its natural finish contributes to a warm and inviting feel. The most striking use of wood is as a structural element in the dash that integrates the main center display and driver cluster, integrating form and function beautifully. In the high-wear areas of the interior, the materials take inspiration from sportswear and active gear, combining durable and innovative materials that can easily be cleaned. The engine. Rivian's vehicles also feature a quad-motor system that delivers 147 kilowatts with precise torque control to each wheel, enabling active torque vectoring and maximum performance in every situation, from high-speed cornering to low-speed rock crawling. With 3,500 Nm of grounded torque per wheel, 14,000 Nm of torque for the full vehicle, the R1T can reach 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds and 100 miles per hour in less than 7 seconds. This powertrain and chassis also enable the R1T's tow rating of 11,000 pounds. Battery system. Rivian's energy-dense battery module and pack were developed with the most demanding journeys in mind, incorporating tough underbody protection and an advanced cooling system to give occupants the confidence to go further, regardless of terrain or temperature. Adaptive control algorithms learn driver behavior, optimizing user-specific battery management for maximizing battery life, reliability and second life reusability. 3 battery sizes are planned, with the 180 kWh and 135 kWh available at launch and a 105 kWh being made available within 6 months. The battery is designed for fast charging with charging rates of up to 160 kilowatts. This enables approximately 200 miles of range to be added in 30 minutes of charging. In addition to DC fast charging, an 11 kilowatts onboard charger facilitates rapid charging at a level 2 charger. Connectivity and digital experience. Rivian has developed its connected car platform from a clean sheet to allow full control and flexibility over the vehicle hardware, software and user experience. The system operates on a high-speed Ethernet backbone that enables robust security. This platform supports granular over-the-air updates of vehicle software to enhance functionality and improve performance. The in-vehicle experience consists of a custom 15.6-inch center touchscreen, 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 6.8-inch rear touchscreen. Understanding its customers' desire for connected adventure, Rivian developed maps, music, navigation and other adventure-focused features to complete the digital experience. The digital user interface strongly reflects adventure, outdoors and exploration. The experience is immersive and natural whether it's being used in a connected urban setting or well off the beaten path. Self-driving. The R1T will launch with a robust hardware suite with multiple modalities including camera, LiDAR, radar, ultrasonic and a high-precision GPS coupled with high-definition maps. This hardware enables Level 3, hands-off wheel and eyes off-road, autonomy for highway operation. Beyond the highway Level 3, the vehicle will have a range of self-driving features focused on enabling active lifestyles. Safety. Rivian's safety systems and body structure design will deliver top safety pick plus and NHTSA 5-star ratings. Safety features include 8 airbags for occupant protection and reinforcements of the skateboard platform to protect the battery. The R1T and R1S will also be offered with a full complement of active safety systems enabled by Rivian's suite of self-driving sensors. The prices. Pricing for the R1T starts at $61,500 after federal tax credit. Fully equipped vehicles with the highest performance level and largest battery pack will enter production first. The 180 kWh pack, 400 plus miles range, and 135 kWh pack will be available at launch, with the base variant, 250 plus miles range, to follow within 12 months of the start of production. Rivian is now accepting pre-orders for a refundable deposit of $1,000. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us, like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you a happy day.